Hey, what's going?
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? Hey, what's going on, everybody? So we are going to take a break from the normal chores or projects I got going on, and my son wanted to build a birdhouse. So the sort of rules that I'm going to try to do is build it with anything that I have here and not have to go get other things. So we're going to just go ahead and get started. We're going to be using just some plywood that I had cut for some shelves that I do, and I don't know, I'm not quite sure how to do it. I'm just going to take a look at this, figure it out, and then we'll get going. So without further ado, Leonardo, you ready to send it?
Yes!
Let's send it. All right, so I think I'm going to do this is there's one basically trying to stick within the lines that are already here. I'm going to use this for the sort of the front piece and for the back piece right here. And then these pieces right here, I'm probably going to just cut straight out with the circular saw and use this for the floor and the two other walls. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and use this other piece down here and create the roof. So again, it's going to be very small, not trying to make it too big, but Leonardo, let's make this, okay?
Yes!
Let's do it.
Yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah!
You ready for the next step, Chico?
Yeah!
All right, so now just so you can kind of get a feel for what I'm thinking here.
What I'm thinking here?
That's right. Kind of looking something like this.
Kind of look at something like this. Yes. This.
So now that I'm looking at it, I'm probably gonna go ahead and redo my cut so that this comes down here.
This comes
All right, let's do it. Okay, Leonardo, so we need to make a door for the birds to get in, right?
Yeah, make a hole.
Make a hole? Okay, so how big do you think we should make the hole? Here, hold on, let me get some of these tools real fast.
Now you have to.
Should we make the hole like this big?
Yeah.
Or should we do it a little smaller or a little smaller?
Like.
How big which one should we use? You think this one's going to be big enough to get the birds in?
Yeah.
I think how about this one?
This one's more better than the little one.
This one's more better?
Yeah, this one's more better.
Okay, then let's use the more better one.
Yeah, we have to make the tunnel for the bird.
That's right. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make a little thing for the birds to get in. All right.
Where's that triangle thingy?
With the triangle thingy?
Yeah.
It's right here. That's what I was using to make the angles, because like Daddy didn't do a good job the first time, so I had to play with the angles so that when we put the roof on, it sits flat. But it's okay now.
Hey, do this.
Yeah. You ready to do the next one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, Leonardo. So what do you think? I think we need to place something here so that they can land on and then go inside, like a little door or something.
Yes.
Or something to stand on. So I think we're going to use this so that they'll be able to land on this and then go inside. How does that sound?
Good.
That sounds good? Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it!
All right, Leonardo, so are you ready to kind of start putting this together?
Yeah!
Wow. All right, so I think we're going to go ahead and put everything together except for the roof. And we'll put the roof on last.
Yeah!
You want to do that?
Yeah!
So the only thing I have, though, Leonardo, is these nails. You think these are going to work?
Yeah, I think.
You think so? All right, I think so, too. So
I wish it can fit.
I think it's going to fit. So let's go ahead and do the next step.
Yeah, let's do the next step!
Let's do it.
Let's do it!
So unfortunately, I putting it together the wrong way other than what I had planned. I was supposed to put these pieces out here and bang in, but yep, I jacked that up, so I'm going to have to adjust. I think what I'm going to do is instead of, I'll just turn it over and start using this top side, and these parts down here, I'll go ahead and just have those covered by the roof. All right, so let's fix my mistake. So on second thought about taking it all the way out, I'm just going to make this part the bottom piece and take these nails out and then put that up here. Easy peasy. All right, so looking at it, I'm trying to debate on whether to basically put my roof like so, which would keep it flush here and just have a little overhang. But if I want to have some flush this way too, then I'm going to have to do two pieces, but then that wouldn't necessarily be the best watertight. So I'm going to think about it, and then, hold on, check this out. There's my cat. Got another bird. Good news is I was able to save that bird. I went over there and got it. It wasn't quite dead. It was just plain dead. And I was able to save it. And it got my cat inside and got the bird away. All right, but I need to figure out how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to take a look. I'm going to maybe even take a look and see if I got some maybe slightly bigger scrap wood I can use to make it just slightly bigger with a little bit more overhang. But let's see.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend, work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I'd hit replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me you're ready for the ride. You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time. Trying
All right, so my phone is almost dead, so I need to hurry up and go ahead and kind of wrap this video up. I'm not sure how good the quality is. It's like on its last 5%, but I am finished basically wrapping it up. Not perfect. You can see some gaps in here, but whatever. It's a birdhouse. I just wanted to put some, my son asked me to do it, as you saw, and I just wanted to put something together that was pretty easy, and that tomorrow is not only my grandmother's birthday, but it's also my mother-in-law's birthday. So tomorrow I want the grandchildren, my son and my niece, to go ahead and paint this. So we'll let them paint this tomorrow, and then we'll hang it. All right, I'll see you then. All right, everybody. So before I turn it over to the children to go ahead and paint, I had some leftover white paint in the spray can here that I figured I would go ahead and just put a base coat on there and then let the children have at it. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
I don't know.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? So we're going to be finishing up the birdhouse. I'm turning it over to the children for them to go ahead and paint. And this is the last step. So I kind of like how the base white is looking. Maybe it's going to be better. Maybe it's not going to be better. But it's up to you guys on how good you're going to make it. All right?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. And there she is, all finished. Had a little assist from Mamacita with the flowers here on the front. Got the chickens in the back. Probably a little jealous because they don't got a colorful house like this. But yeah, you know, the kids had fun doing it. Let me see if I can get over here onto the more camouflage side. Get up in here. Yep, kind of matches the shade on this side. And we wanted to put it wanted to put it this direction so that we can see birds entering from the house. So the only thing that I did off camera besides the wife putting on some of the sunflowers at the front is just like how I added this in there. I did the same for the hooks up here. And I was able to completely make this without having to go to the store. So that was a win on top of the family having fun making it. All right, that concludes this video. Hope you like this different project. Yeah, there will probably be some more like this. So maybe this is the beginning of these types of projects, I should say. And I hope you enjoyed them. Have a great day.